Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the higher time frames, the monthly, I definitely still think this is going to make a higher low, and I still think it's going to end up trending up on the monthly, eventually taking out these highs and eventually looking something like this. This is the monthly, so it's going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first post up is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. If that's true, that means that this right here is a wave 1. That means that this is a wave 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is actually over is yet to be determined, but eventually I think it's actually going to go up and make the big wave 3 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily is where you can start to break this down. I think this uptrend right here, ending right here, is a wave 1. I think this is very clearly in leading diagonal wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up wave B. It looks like a complete trend. I mean, it didn't quite hit the 38% and it didn't take out the low of wave A, but I mean, it doesn't have to take out the low of wave A. I mean, it definitely made an impulsive move up. It definitely made a break of structure. You would think that this would at least end up going like this, even if it does end up continuing back down, or if this really is the end of an ABC of 2, then maybe it will just keep on trending up from here. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we definitely got a very impulsive move up, which is obviously a trend, which makes me label this as either a wave A or a wave 1. I don't really know yet what it is, and I don't think it's important to know. I think this move down is either a B or a 2, and I think eventually it's going to go up for either a C, which would look like this, which we definitely should recognize as a C if it is a C, or it should make a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, it'll just keep on making those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying in last night's video, it does kind of look like it already made a full ABC correction. But a lot of the other dollar pairs actually look like this move is only a wave A, and that this is actually a wave B, and that maybe it is actually going to go down to the 61 and the 78% to make a wave C before it actually does end up continuing up. Like I said, this move down should either be a wave B or a wave 2, and I would definitely want to get long, and I would want to learn and earn at the same time whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C. Either scenario, like I said, I'm definitely trying to get long for this wave 3, wave C, and then I'll learn and earn at the same time whether it's a 3 or a C, and we definitely should better tell the difference. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.